What's up, my name's Technober here for Troubleshoot and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you the new feature that's available for Discord for either everyone at this stage or just a few people. Basically, it's a new profile customization feature that some people have got early access to. I have just recently gained access to it, so it means one of two things. Either it's publicly available and everyone has it, or you'll probably get it sometime in the future, depending on how lucky you are if you get this still in early access, or eventually when it comes out fully. Anyway, what exactly am I talking about? Well, Discord obviously have undergone quite a bit of remaking, they've changed their logo, etc, but something new they've added is when you click on yourself or someone else, you'll see this bar at the very top and sometimes a pen icon next to it. Usually you won't have this option and instead it will just be a solid color with your profile picture and maybe a status below it, such as this little dog down here. But that pen is the exact feature that I'm talking about now. It's part of the new user customization that they're rolling out either slowly or they've rolled out to everyone now. If you click the user settings button in the bottom left and head across to the user profile section, you'll see this here. Now, I unfortunately didn't have this section up until now, but now I actually do. If we have a look over here, you can see avatar, change avatar, remove avatar. This is the standard old way of changing your profile picture over here. Nothing much has changed. What's new is the profile banner for Discord Nitro users. You can upload an image of at least 600 by 240, which can be a PNG, JPEG, or animated GIF. That'll display in the background over here as the banner, similar to a Twitter banner, YouTube banner, etc. It'll display behind your profile picture, and right below it we have a new section called About Me. This is different to the status, which would show over here. It's a section where you can write about yourself, that anyone clicking on your profile will be able to read about you. So just to keep it nice and simple, I'll go ahead and copy paste my Twitter bio into here. South African freelancer, voiceovers, videos, guides, youtube.com/troubleshoot, and techno.co. Pretty simple, except here I'll maybe separate them with new lines. The newer, more exciting part, which is only exclusive to Discord Nitro users, which of course if you were lucky enough to grab, you'd have for the next 3 months or so, through the Epic Games giveaway that expired just last week. I did make a video on it, so hopefully you were one of the lucky 200,000 viewers of that video who learned that they could get Discord Nitro for free for 3 months. Anyway, this banner over here is super simple. It'll display behind your profile picture here, and your profile image will occlude it almost all of the time. If we have a look at someone else on the Discord, you'll see they've already got the profile banner, and their profile picture does occlude some of the background. So do keep it in mind, not everything in the background image will show. You'll probably have the circle here still. Now, unfortunately, you're not able to customize this on the mobile app quite just yet. You'll have to use a browser to do so. But if you click on someone else's profile, you are able to view the background and, of course, the About Me section. This, of course, will probably change sometime in the future. So I'll head back to my user settings, user profile, and I'll change the banner image. For now, I'll simply choose my standard YouTube, Twitter, etc. banner background. You get to center it over here, and after clicking apply, you'll see it appears behind your profile image as such. Nice. This image is basically perfect for me already, but if you wanted, you could probably look at the circle over here and draw something around that, etc. In fact, this is probably something I'll experiment with. Figuring out exactly where this is will be a little bit tough. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. If you're interested in seeing a banner layout that you can go ahead and add to with this occluded circle drawn onto it, you'll be able to check the description down below, or you'll be able to download it off of my website. Then after creating yourself a nice little image that fits there, clicking on yourself, you'll see it as such. Pretty cool. And a quick little update before I go ahead and end this video. In the description down below, you'll find a link to my website. On this page, you'll find profile banner layouts for Discord. These things over here. As you can see, it's got everything documented, the 32 pixel gap, the length of the circle over here, as well as the offset, because surprisingly, the circle's diameter is just below the image, as well as some space over here. Right below it is also a transparent image that hasn't got a background if you'd like to add to it yourself. I'd highly recommend dropping these into something like After Effects if you want to make something animated, which is also something I'll be doing now. And of course, I went ahead and dropped this template into Adobe After Effects, and I added a simple effect to it. Just little expanding circles. I replaced the background with my actual background over here, rendered it out into an MP4, and used the website to convert the MP4 to a GIF. Now I'll be uploading it to my Steam profile. I'll simply head across to Steam, then into the user profile section, and I'll click change banner down here. Then I'll select the GIF, and as you can see, it's working properly. My little spinny logo with these circles in the background going off once in a while. Nice and simple. Here I can save, close out of it, click on myself, and as you can see, it works exactly as I had hoped. Technobo, gaming, programming, streams tech, and the nice little circles coming off my profile picture once in a while. Pretty cool. Something odd that I did notice, however, is when you click the change banner button and you select an image, it'll load in something like this. And we go ahead and select the template, you'll see it pops in nicely. But for some reason, if Discord is longer vertically than it is horizontally as such, and we try to change the banner, sometimes this isn't properly and it lets us move it around. It'll be zoomed in somewhere like that. Simply zoom it out as far as you can, adjust the window size a little bit, and it should be working properly. But anyways, that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. My name's been Technobo here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!